Hi, everybody. Today we are going to look at a tool called Sodaphonic. And this free browser-based tool allows you to do several pieces, including recording an audio, recording and editing an audio, and flipping audio types to convert from one file type to another. And these also make it very easy to share with others. So you can see I'm at the website. Up here at the top, upper left corner, you do have to create an account, but it's very simple, easy to do, and completely free this tool is to use. So when we get to the website, you can see the variety of tools on this main page. You can see this main tool here, Sodaphonic, allows you to record, edit, and share audio online. We'll take a look at that in just a second. This note is actually really important too, is that you can do this directly from the browser. You don't need to download anything. You don't need to add any plugins. It's all done right here on the browser. The next tool is called Boombox, and that is a tool that just allows you to record and share. So no editing, just recording and sharing. Scrolling down here a bit further is that third tool, this format flipper, which allows you to convert audio files from one format to another. So let's go up to the top here, and we'll start with one of the simplest, which is just record and share your voice instantly. So let's go ahead and click here to start sharing. So when you're here, we can choose to go ahead and start recording. You can also choose to upload an audio file. It's counting me down here where I can say, hi, everybody. We are testing out the Boombox feature of Sodaphonic. We're going to give it a title. It's asking me if I want to create a transcript. I can hear it here as well. Say, hi, everybody. We are testing out the Boombox feature of Sodaphonic. Okay, there we go. I'm going to click share. I should mention too, while it's doing that, the first time you do record on here, you will need to allow your microphone to be used on this website. Very simple pop-up that comes up here on your screen, and you just allow. Okay, so you can see here, I can go ahead and directly share this out if I want to. By clicking this copy link, I can also choose to download it, or I can delete it. Now, I can choose to edit it, but it is going to change this over to another tool in order to do that. So just to show you, if I choose to download, you can see that it's in the MP3 format right there. You can also, again, choose to copy the link. I'll show you that that works by opening up a new tab here and putting that in. And there is my link to hear my audio file. I can also choose to embed it if I wanted to into a web page or a learning management system. So if I choose to edit it here, you can see I'm actually opened up into Sodaphonic here. That's the second tool that we took a look at on the main page there. And I can choose to edit and do all sorts of different things with this. So for example, when I first play this, hi, everybody. We are testing. The very beginning was me talking, and I wasn't quite ready to get started. So I can actually choose to highlight this area, come up to edit, and I can just cut it. So I'll start back at the beginning here again. Hi, everybody. We are testing out. There we go. So that beginning part is gone now. A few other effects you can do just by highlighting the section of it. And you can see here, I can fade in, I can fade out, I can make it louder, quieter, add silence, and so on. Lots of different simple things that you can do here. So if I'm all done, I can then from here choose to share it. It's going to again ask me the same questions to title it. I'm going to call this edited audio. I'll go ahead and choose to create the transcript. I'll choose to share it. And we'll allow that just a second to load so that you can then also see the transcript. Okay, I did refresh my page, and there is the transcript there at the bottom. So we just took a look at two of the features here, which was the Sodaphonic record and edit. We could have recorded directly inside of here if we knew we wanted to edit it, but we actually started down here and chose to record and then edit it afterward. If I choose to get started here, we can record something new, or we can drop an audio file in there to edit, and you can see we're already in that edit space. Looks a little different than the Boombox area. And the last one, just to show it to you, is that format flipper, where we choose to convert the audio files. We can drop one in there, and we've got file types to choose between, as well as some channels, mono or stereo, and what kind of quality you want. And then it will choose to flip it for you, and you can save it. So this really simple tool can be very handy for quick audio recordings and editings, or audio file flipping to different formats. I hope this is helpful.